Dr. Zakir, several ahadiths and historical accounts say that the Quran was revealed over a period of 23 years. Is there an apparent contradiction between that and what the Quran says that was revealed in one night in Laylatul Qadr?
There is no contradiction between the Hadith and the historical records and the Quran, because if you read the tafsir of the Quran, that the Quran was revealed in Laylatul Qadr, it means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He revealed the Quran from Lawh Mahfuz, from the preserved tablet to the lower heaven on the night of Qadr. That is in the night of power, in one night. And then from that lower heaven, parts of the Quran, few verses at a time, was revealed whenever required in a span of 23 Hijri years, in a span of 23 lunar years, or in a span of 22 and 4 to 5 solar years. So there's no apparent contradiction. It was revealed in one night, from the tablet preserved to the lower heaven, and from there, as in time required, was revealed in parts and verses and surah-wise in a span of 23 years.
Okay, thank you for clearing up that apparent contradiction. Which is
and similarly, as far as the Qadr is concerned, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has in His knowledge everything what's going to happen, past, present, future. And from that tablet, He reveals in the night of Qadr to the angels whatever is going to happen in the next year, from this Laylatul Qadr to the next Laylatul Qadr. So the angels come to know everything what is going to happen in the next 1 year in this night. But in Allah's knowledge, it is there till eternity.